All right, let's go over the final review, part 3, which goes over Unit 4, Lesson 2. Again, I'm just going to go over the test itself because there's lots of little typos you could have had, and I'm not going to talk about what percentage of people got these things right and wrong. I'm not even going to go over this. This is just straight vocabulary. Don't forget the is el or la, los or las. Pablo eats lunch on Sundays at the restaurant would be Pablo come or Pablo almuerza los lunes al restaurante. Couple things there. Remember, almuerza is a stem changer, O to U E. On Sundays, you say los domingos. The word Sunday is not capitalized, neither are any of the weekdays in Spanish. And at the restaurant, a plus L becomes al. So Pablo almuerza los domingos al restaurante. Again, you can check your email for the answers, and you'll see that that was the answer for that one. The cafe is near the park. Remember, when we're saying is, we say in terms of location, it's either es or está. When it's location, we say está. So el café está cerca del parque. Remember, de and el becomes del, of the, close to the or of the park. We go downtown by car. Remember, we say en coche for by car, a pie for on foot, and en autobús for by bus. My parents return. Mis padres vuelven a las. Remember, time, you say a las 5:30 in this case. A las 5:30. Next page, again, going through all these, just go through them, check your answers. Compramos las entradas para el concierto, and we buy tickets for the concert in the ventanilla. Victoria no puede blank 8 horas en sábado. She could not dormir. We have to use the infinitive. This is the only infinitive, by the way, because it's a piggyback phrase. Puede dormir, can sleep. Remember that a big thing you learned in Spanish 1 is these piggyback phrases. Me gusta, quiero, necesito, debo, voy a, tengo que, etc. Puede, prefiero. There's lots of verbs that you can conjugate the first verb and then put an infinitive, a non-conjugated verb on the end of it. And it's a really good way to speak, to form sentences. It's a grammar structure that we've talked about quite a bit, and it will be part of your speaking and writing parts of this final as well. So be ready for that. To blank pastel de postre en un café, you order, would make sense. Pedir also means to order, but it's not conjugated. So the conjugated verb needs to go there because, well, you need to conjugate this verb. You wouldn't say you to order cake, pastel de postre, dessert, for cake for dessert in the cafe. Os gusta caminar, vais a la biblioteca. You like to walk, so you go on foot. El camarero nos sirve, he serves us la carne. That's the only thing that a waiter would serve something. Nuestros hermanos blanco nosotros mañana, our brothers, van a almorzar. Again, here's a piggyback phrase. Van a, don't forget the a after it when it's ear. When using ear in a piggyback, it'd be ear plus a plus infinitive. Después de comer, quiero pedir. After eating, I want to order, or to ask, I'm sorry, not to order. I want to ask for. Well, if you already ate, you're not going to ask for the menu. You're not going to ask for the main dish. You're not going to ask for the tip. You're going to ask for the bill, la cuenta. El camarero blank la comida. He serves it, so sirve. Me gusta el postre. I like the dessert. Quiero pedir el pastel. I want to order the cake. Mi hermano blank una sopa de restaurante. My brother orders a soup from the restaurant. I'm sorry. Duh, I just did that. He orders. It's pide. Pide is he orders. Mis tíos piden bistec porque les gusta la carne. They order steak. Mi hermana almuerza. We're just conjugating these verbs correctly. Mis amigos y yo almorzamos a las 2:30. Compro. I buy las entradas. I buy the tickets en la ventanilla. Voy al blank para ver una película. I go to the movie theater. Las meninas, again, we don't have to worry about these. These are vocab ones. So that's part 3. Hopefully you did well on it. If you need to practice it some more, go ahead and take it again. You can take it as many times as you want. Good luck.